Hello everyone, let's make something tiny and fun today. Miniature crafts are so cute. We can create a whole world in miniature, it's like magic. You'll be amazed at what you can make. Are you ready? Let's get crafting. First, we need a desk. And a chair, of course. We'll use cardboard. It's sturdy and easy to find. You will need cardboard scissors, ruler, glue, and colorful paper. Let's cut the cardboard. Use your ruler to measure. We'll make a small rectangle for the desk. Then, cut a taller rectangle for the chair back. Don't forget the chair seat. Glue the pieces together carefully. Now, for some color. Cut and paste colorful paper onto your desk and chair. Look how they pop. Every desk needs books. Cut small rectangles from white paper, fold them in half. Now you have tiny books. Use markers to draw colorful covers. Maybe a red book about a brave knight? What about a laptop? Cut 2 identical squares from cardboard. Cover one with colorful paper. This is the laptop screen. Now, cut a smaller black square from paper. Glue it onto the screen. That's our keyboard. Glue both cardboard pieces together. Amazing! Finally, let's make pens and markers. We'll use toothpicks and beads. Choose your favorite colored beads. Thread them onto the toothpicks. Secure them with a dab of glue. Now your mini desk has colorful writing tools. Look at our mini study desk. We have a colorful desk and chair. Tiny books are stacked neatly. The laptop is ready for work or games. And we have pens and markers in every color. Amazing work! You are a mini making champion.